Two people were on Thursday arraigned at the Milimani Law Court for encouraging members of the public to attend a protest march to State House on 25th June in a post on the X platform. Officers from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations are now seeking 10 days to detain the duo Suleiman Bilali and Robert Otiti. Their defense lawyer opposed the request, saying their arrest infringes on their rights as citizens.
A day after the country witnessed deadly Gen Z's protest, Suleiman Bilali, a boxing coach, and Robert Otiti, a former Harambee Stars captain, were presented in court.
I am number 6-3. Yes.
The investigating officer Samuel Ireri told the court the duo are planning to invade Gen Z's protest and breach the Protected Areas Act and conduct criminal activities.
Being the monopolizers, the respondent, if released, may interfere with the potential witnesses.
Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino, who recently joined the bar, took his maiden appearance before trial magistrate Dolphina Alego to defend the suspects.
The IO was not even sure of the type of an offense to investigate because they arrested first, then they come before you, Your Honor, with very flimsy reasons. They are on a fishing expedition.
Babu urged the magistrate to decline the DC application, saying police custodies are no longer safe for citizens.
Must be treated with its own facts and merits. And even if they were convicted, which they were not, in the previous offenses, which they don't have, they've never been arrested.
The lawyer stated that the alleged ex-account in question do not belong to the suspects, and the handle owner is still missing 5 days after he was abducted.
For the owner or holder of the very account at Daguin D, for his production, whether dead or alive, before the honorable courts.
The IO has not laid before this court any material evidence.
The court is set to pronounce its ruling on Friday, 27th June. With Albert Ojwang incident still lingering in many people's mind, legal pundits are now calling for the security apparatus to present all the protesters that were arrested yesterday during the demonstrations in court or free them. Elsewhere, businessman Philip Nash on Aroko, who has been under investigations into the murder of Kasipul MP Ong'ondo Were, has been freed and now joins the list of state witnesses in the case. Aroko had been accused of being the financial planner of the MP's killing on 30th April this year. There were 12 suspects who had been arrested over the murder, with 5 of them released unconditionally and turned to prosecution witnesses as 5 were formally charged with the murder. But in a quick rejoinder, the family of the late MP, through their lawyer Polomboya, has written to the Director of Public Prosecution, Renson Mulele, protesting the move to turn those whom the family has termed as the main perpetrators of the heinous act to prosecution witnesses. The family states, despite providing crucial information, they now fear justice will not be delivered. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Court.